Hello and welcome to Auzmor Learn. Your organization has recently invested in Auzmor Learn to be able to allow you to have a great learning experience, as well as any trainings or development areas that you're interested in. You'll be able to self-develop in those at your own pace moving forward. Today, I'll be covering a quick overview of how to navigate Auzmor Learn and what are some things that you could do as a learner, and where you can also print some of your certificates that you'll be receiving through some of the trainings. As a learner, when you log in, a few things. So you have your home tab, which is a great place, and it's mainly your dashboard. So any courses that you have, courses are basically individual courses. So let's say maybe it's just your sexual harassment training, or it could just be a leadership course, or it could be a safety course individually, for instance. You can come in here and click on those. Anything that you're basically able to hover over, it will actually redirect you to those particular courses. So for instance, let's say I want to click on the 16 courses that have been assigned to me. I'll be able to see all the different courses by just clicking on this over here. Or I can even scroll down to my courses tab and look at assigned, for instance. And then if I just click view all, it's going to actually take me under my courses tab over here and show me all the different courses that have been assigned to me. Learning paths will be curriculum. So for instance, any of your new hire onboarding training or any other career paths or learning paths that require more than one course for you to be able to complete that training path. Those are basically courses, multiple courses in one particular curriculum. And the process is very much similar. You can actually hover over them and click on anything that's overdue or that has been assigned to you as well. And then events or any live training sessions that are provided by your team. So for instance, any events that are upcoming, you'd be able to click on those over here, or any that you've attended that you want to actually go back and look at as a resource, or any of the materials that had been attached, or anything that has been in the past or that you've missed as well. You can actually view all of that. And then in your home dashboard, you can also see everything that's been assigned to you. Those are basically things that your manager or your leadership team has assigned you. So those are your first priorities to complete as a learner. Your enrolled courses are things that you have self-developed or registered in to take at your own time. And then in progress, as you start taking some of those trainings, you can click resume to continue from wherever you had last left off. And then as you complete those trainings, everything actually falls under here, for instance, for you to be able to go back and look at it as a resource. And then if you click your name and go down to your setting tab, under my certificates, if any of those courses did have a certification attached to it, you can actually, everything will appear right over here, and you can actually print these off as well and take them along with you, or put them at your desks if you would like as well. You'll also see, apart from your courses, your path section, very much similar to how the courses pieces works over here. And then your events will be any live training sessions. So anything that's upcoming will appear right in here. Ongoing are things that you're actively in as a learner. And then as you complete those live training sessions, again, all those will appear right over here. You can click view all to see everything that you've completed as well. Under your course tab, a few things as a learner. So under the public tab, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to come in here and search as a learner for any key areas that you're interested in. So you can use the smart search tab. For instance, let's say that I'm searching for leadership courses or time management or communication. This is a great area where you could actually search for some of those and see what are some things that your management team have left for open enrollment for you to be able to self-develop yourselves. You can also click this little filter button if there are specific areas that you're interested in. Let's say, for instance, time management, sales skills, whatever it may be, Excel training that you're interested in. You can also filter by the specific categories that are provided for you by your management team as well. The same concept goes for paths. So let's say you're somebody that's going to be in some sort of a management role for the first time, and you want to see any curriculums, or let's say things around employee mental health. Very much similar process. You could actually search here by paths, and then you could also filter by those as well. Events are any of your live training sessions. So over here, my upcoming, ongoing, and my past, everything is kind of similar to how we saw it on the home tab. The only key difference is that everything appears here for you that you've had in the past as well. And then your all public is very much similar to how we were looking at the courses and paths tab. This is where you can come if there's a live training session coming up that you want to self-enroll in. You can actually look at some of the information that's provided on that if that's something that you're interested in. Go ahead and click enroll, and then you're able to add that on your calendar as well. The other component to also know under your course and path section is, apart from your all public, you're assigned, everything will appear right in here. You have a little shortcut from your home tab. Your enrolled process are things that you've self-enrolled in from the public tab, for instance. And then in progress, you can actually resume any of those from right here as well. And then as you complete those, everything falls under completed section. And then anything that's overdue will appear right over here. So that's probably something you want to make sure as a learner that you're looking at as well when you're logging into your dashboard. And if you see any of your overdues, for instance, that are marked, let's say I have 7 paths overdue and I have 28 courses overdue, those are some things that you want to look at as well. I hope that's a great overview of Auzmor Learn for you. We look forward to hearing some of your experience, and we hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.